Hey folks, Shirley J here. We're gonna propagate this baby pineapple. They're pretty damn expensive, so I only started with one. Alright, we're gonna twist that top up and start peeling off the baby leaves down below. You want to expose at least 2 inches of that core stem there. Anything that's gonna be below the water line will rot off if it's still growing. It's gonna take at least a couple weeks for it to root, so don't panic if you don't see anything within a few days. You can use any regular water, whether it be tap, distilled, filtered, whatnot. I'm just using tap water here. It's pretty chlorine tolerant, and a few weeks later, we have about an inch long root. In a week or two, it should be ready to plant. Alright, now we're back a week and a half later, and the roots are finally long enough. We're gonna trim this up a little bit, get rid of the dead leaves, and pot it up. Alright, let's make a very well draining soil. We have our vermiculite to the left and our cocoa coir to the right. Nutritionally, it will be a neutral soil. Let's wet that thoroughly above field capacity. Field capacity is when you squeeze the soil and it holds together and nothing more than a few drops comes out. The next step is to strain out the extra water and pack your cup. You don't want to pack it too tightly, but you do want it to be held together. You want to make a little bit of a divot for the plant to sit right into. Need a little extra to pack around the plant. Alright, time to give this thing a haircut. Trim off the dead and dying portions of the leaves. It will recover just fine. It was in the glass water, so which gives it a humid environment, which can lead to powdery mildew. So it's time to wipe off the dust and mildew off the leaves as well. Be careful, they are serrated. Most pineapples are not smooth variety, so they can give you a nice little cut. And the plant is already looking so much better after the trim. After this, we're going to give it a nice wipe down and put it underneath a sunny window. As you can see, the leaves are looking so much glossier after being wiped down. If you thought this was useful or appreciated in any way, please consider subbing. It would greatly help the channel.